Sony WH1000XM5 in black. Oh, this is a nice case here. Oh, opens like that. Great. Matte black. Oh, that's a nice matte black finish. I don't know how I feel about this rounded headband, but that's the style that they're going with. And is that it? I thought there was a little compartment here for charging cable, and then this is for 3.5 millimeter. Okay, out of all the noise canceling headphones that are out there right now, the reason why I chose these Sony's XM5s is for the purposes of using this for video production when I'm traveling. I always like noise cancellation on airplanes. I find it essential for me just to survive even the shortest airplane ride. I need noise canceling headphones. But I also want to travel light, and I want to use headphones for production audio when I'm doing interviews. So in this video, I'm not going to test out the wireless capabilities. I'm actually going to do something that I don't think other people have done when they're reviewing these XM5s. I'm going to test out the 3.5 mil wired connection going into a camera. This is a GH6. This is my camera I use for interviews now. So when I'm doing production, I always monitor my audio when I can, especially interviews. And let's see if this is gonna work. All right, so I'm gonna do a test to see if this works plugged in. I'm not even gonna power the headphones on. Let's just see if it works. That's on. Let me go into the headphone menu system. All right, let's test this out. So I'm plugged in right now. I'm gonna put on these headphones and see if they work. Okay, it works. I can hear it. Check, 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 check. All right, headphone. Check, 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 check. Yep. Okay, so the headphones work. Oh, awesome. So they're not even powered on. These aren't even powered on, and they work fine. So this is helpful. That means if I run out of batteries for the noise cancellation feature, as long as I plug it in, I can use these for my production. That's all I wanted to test out. That's really all I wanted to know, and I couldn't really find another review or video that just demonstrated this. So I did it right now, and if anybody was wondering if these work in that way, they work just like regular headphones, and you don't need to power them on. That's the difference between a lot of other headphones, noise canceling Bluetooth headphones, that they just don't have the 3.5. It's like Apple. I'm talking to you. I would have gotten the Apple's the noise cancellation headphones, but Apple has no 3.5. So in this scenario, it wouldn't be good for me. And I'm gonna go with the Sony. And in this configuration, works great when I'm on production.